Alright, so we're going to do some sharpening now. Just to show how simple it can be and that it doesn't have to be rocket science. I just went out to the parking lot and I found myself a little stone. Came over to the concrete, rubbed it on it a bunch, and now it's pretty flat. So, go get your knife, a little bit of oil, water, whatever you want. I'm just going to use a little oil. Hold the knife in your non-dominant hand. I'm right-handed, so it's my left hand. Brace your arm up. Take the stone and run it parallel to the edge. You can do little circles if you want to. It doesn't really matter. I like going parallel to the edge. You don't get as big of a burr buildup. So if you take your time with this, you usually don't need to strop it. If you don't have a strop around. If you have one, you can use it. So you just rub it up and down the edge. Take it down. If you want to get more technical with it, you want to get a finer edge. Once you get the edge taken down a little bit like this, you can see the marks it's leaving on the edge, so you know where you're hitting. If you see the scratches are up here, the stone's too flat. You just need to roll it towards the edge a little bit. If you see it's only hitting on the very edge of the knife, the stone's probably a little too steep, so just kind of lessen up the angle a little bit. So you just adjust the... And it doesn't have to be precise the whole time. The knife doesn't care if it's a 22 1/4 or 22 1/8 angle. It doesn't know the difference. Yes, there's a difference in how it'll work. And in practice and the real world, very few, if any, people are going to notice any small differences in edge geometry like that. So you just keep doing that. Now if you want to get fancy, count 10 strokes down this side. Come to this side. You got to be a little careful when you're on this side that you don't smash your hand into the edge, but I mean, that's pretty basic. Don't cut yourself. Now we'll do 9. We'll do 9 on this side. We'll do 8. I'll do 8 on this side. Seven on this side. And 6. And 6. You don't have to go real fast either. I've just done this a bunch of times, so I'm pretty used to it. 5. What you can also do is your ring finger on your hand. You can use that to rest on the blade when you're on this side to keep a more consistent angle. So you kind of brace it up on there. Anyway, we'll do our 5 on that side. 5 on this side. 4. 4. 3. When I get down to 2, I'll do a bunch of passes at 2 or 3. And then you can just do 1 per side. That's going to be pretty sharp. It's not going to be crazy sharp, but it'll be sharp enough to use considering you didn't spend any money doing it. And it shaves hair. Let's see if I can get that to focus in on my arm here. Whoa! Try not to do that. Alright. Sorry about that. And it shaves hair from a stone that I found in the parking lot and flattened on a piece of concrete. You know, I cut stuff. Is it the most fancy system? No. But it'll make it sharp. It's not what I use normally, but it works. Everything does not have to be complex. Hope that helps some.